Perineural epithelium, a type of stratified squamous epithelial tissue, covers the individual nerve fasciculi of the entire peripheral nervous system, both voluntary and autonomic. A connective tissue sheath, called the epineurium, surrounds each nerve. Each bundle of nerve fibers is called fasciculus and is surrounded by a layer of connective tissue called the perineurium. The arteries and arterioles bringing blood to the brain contain smooth muscle cells designated to regulate the brain's blood flow and maintain blood pressure. Nervous tissue is located in the peripheral nerves all throughout the body, the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Nervous tissue consists of neurons. It is responsible for coordinating bodily activities.
An example of the organ tissue is nervous tissue, which contains neurons and support cells called neuroglia.
Nerves transmit electrical impulses across the body and provides the most imperative means of brain-body communication. This allows nerves to send signals to one another when stimuli is detected so that the body can respond. Essentially, nerves maintain homeostasis, which allows us to live normally.
Nervous tissue monitors and regulates bodily functions. It contains neurons and glial cells, or neuroglia. Neurons comprise three principal components: the dendrites, the cell body, and the axon. The cell body enables general functions to be performed, while the dendrites and axons allow communication between other neurons. Neurons facilitate the transmission of nerve impulses essential to brain-body communication, while glial cells provide nutrients and support to neurons to keep them functioning. Essentially, nervous tissue in the brain enables it to control our bodily activities, hence our ability to perform our daily activities.
The nervous tissue supports the nervous system by monitoring and regulating the functions of the body. The nervous tissue consists of two cells. The nerve cells or neurons help transmit nerve impulses. Motor neurons control muscle movement, sensory neurons receive sensory inputs, and interneurons connect and transfer signals between the two. Glial cells support and protect the neurons, maintain homeostasis, clean up debris, and form the myelin.
Perineal epithelium provides a layer of protection from pressure over nerves, while bundles of columnated nerves are surrounded by another layer of connective epithelium. Smooth muscle cells in the arteries and arterioles facilitate blood flow in the brain, hence the transport of nutrients and other resources, as well as the maintenance of blood pressure. Nervous tissues in the cell enable brain-body communication and coordinates body activities and functions. Nervous tissues contain neurons, neuroglia, which work hand in hand to maintain homeostasis. Neuroglia cells provide physiological support to the neurons that are transmitting electrical impulses.